Hey everyone, we're going to sing Rain, Rain, Go Away for obvious reasons. And we're going to do the solfege hand signs, and I'll talk about that, alright? So here's the song first. We're going to go Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. All these children want to play. Rain, rain, go away. Now I ended on do, okay? The whole song goes so, me, 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 so, do. Sing it with me. The words rain, rain, go away. Here's where it's going to be. We go, rain, rain, go away, come again another day. All these children want to play. Rain, rain, go away. Ready? With the solfege. We go. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. All these children want to play. Rain, rain, go away. Remember what note that one is? That's the do. Alright? One more time, this time on solfege. Ready? So, me, 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 so, do. Good job, guys. Let me hear your voices. Ready? Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. All these children want to play. Rain, rain, go away.